Good morning, guys. So today I will be basically showing you guys how I correct a drone laying worker, right? So for quite a while now, number two has been queenless. Based on inspecting it yesterday, so there's no evidence of a queen in there. What is basically present is a frame with drone brood, right? So it appears that that hive doesn't have a queen, can't find her, and they have in there a drone laying worker. So I need to correct it. I think right here is a nice seat for you guys to sit and watch. Alright guys, so I'm going to try and take this hive up. It's going to be a little bit heavy and challenging to carry. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to carry it at a distance and then put one of those boxes and a next empty 5 frame there. That's basically what I'm going to do. So let's see. Alright, so guys, this box is heavy, so I'm gonna have to do it in parts. Alright, let's see if I can get some little bit more smoke these guys down. They're going to be super aggressive, guys, super aggressive, so I just have to try and move it as quickly as I can. The next step now, guys, is to use the newspaper I want to go 2 layers of newspaper, right? Alright. These guys are going to be very aggressive because guess what? They've been locked up for the entire night, guys. So I'm just gonna try and move them over as quickly as possible as I can. Leave the top half open. Alright guys, so this queen, I spot her. It's a small looking queen though, guys. Let's see if I can give you guys a glimpse of her. Very small queen. There she is. Let's take out the lure and everything like that. And I'm going to flip this, guys, and put it upside down on it. Alright? That's the plan. So that's going to be the top entrance. What you see here is basically all the bees from the swarm. They will reorientate and go to the top, and then I'm going to now go ahead and shake the bees from the actual number 2 that was there before, in a distance. Alright, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to show you what I'm doing. So what will happen is that some of the bees from the swarm, they will come back, they'll try and come back to this area, right? Because this is where they remember home to be, right? So what I did, I'm just gonna leave the lure here for the time being, right? And then what I'll do is when there's a decent cluster, I'll go and basically shake them inside, shake them at the hive. All right, so let them relocate themselves. So now right here is where I'm going to shake the bees, guys. So I'm going to bring them over and shake them. All right, so basically guys, bringing one box at a time because I can't manage the two of them. All right. Alright guys, just one frame left. I just want to show you guys what I was talking about. So if you realize here, they were trying to make queen cells from these drones. The same thing around here. Alright guys, so let's go take a look at where the box is. So this is how it's gonna look, guys. Quite a lot of the bees are gonna come back this way. Some are gonna try and enter there, but most of them will go back to the original spot and they'll eventually eat out the newspaper that I set there. And then you'll also have a few trying to get into different hives, guys. So if you realize, some are trying to get in here, some are trying to get in there as well. Alright? One sting me, guys. So this is how it is right here, guys. They're gonna take a little while to move back, but they'll definitely, some of them will move, majority of them will move back, and then some of them will stay with the drone layer. So they'll take the time and they'll merge into, I just want to show you something, how they're moving towards the entrance of the actual other hive. So you see they're taking the time and they're moving in, so that's good. So this is basically one of the best ways to correct a lane worker colony. Alright guys, what you do is you have to basically move the colony, shake it a good distance away from where it originally was, and what will happen is some of the foragers will definitely move back to the hive. What I did was to basically put the swarm at this location and just let that extra strength of forager move into the swarm. Yeah, and I think that's probably the best option for me. Instead of to let the bees stay there and basically dwindle down and lose the entire colony itself, it best you just combine it with another colony, and this is basically my way of doing it. I don't know if there's any other option or any other better idea of how to do it, but this is what I know how to do, guys. So guys, there's still bees here. All I have to do is just come and smoke them. And eventually some of them will start moving to the new hive, well, to where the original hive was. So there you go. Well, for today, what I did was to try to correct a laying worker colony, right? And a laying worker colony is one where there's no queen, and the actual female foragers start to develop ovaries and start to actually lay eggs. But the problem with them is that they are not like a queen where they can go out and mate. So the eggs that they have developing in their ovaries will not get fertilized. So them laying eggs, unfertilized eggs at that, will only result in brood that is actually drone. That's it. So I want to say to you guys, thank you all for joining me today in this video. Like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That will allow you to see when or know when there's actually new videos up. And if you're watching this, I would say go and check out the other videos, guys. Peace out, guys.